Hi guys, welcome to the Moon and Gemini reading. I have linked the folder of the sun sign reading down below if you haven't checked out your sun sign reading and would like to. Now, hope you're doing well and taking care of yourselves because the full moon is in Scorpio. And things are happening out there. The new beginnings are about to start, right? Because we know it's about transformation. Oh, there's a transformation right there, the Hanging Man. I see that you're going without right now. Something has come along in and knocked you off your feet. Literally knocked you off your feet. But the energy that is connected to what has knocked you off your feet and the moon is helping to hold you up, to let you go. And when that process happens, it's like a fire is literally lit and you are the phoenix rising from the ashes. I can see your actual transformation and evolution, rebirth, because it's time. And something has been mirrored back to you in your own reflection. Something of your burdens and your truth, and it was dark and it's deep and it's emotional. Wow. Is that resonating with this message? Wow, like this is such a transformation. Thank you for joining me. Like, holy. Yeah, and there it is. And now the moon's pull to walk away, to fill your cup. But it's like you're so emotionally connected to what you want in your cup, the experiences in your cup, that it's like you just have to go. The moon is pulling you. The moon is pulling this transformation. And there it is. The gift of the Ace of Pentacles, and the connection. Something becomes more heart-centered, and there's another layer of integration of body, mind, soul, and it activates something. It activates the abundance. It's like, you know, when you get a jawbreaker and then it's got a really hard coating, but you want to get to the center of it. Well, you have to get off that really hard coating. And I feel like that's what this process is about. It's, or like even about, you know, a seed, and it just takes time for it to spend time in nature, in the earth, and there's just the process that it has to take for that seed to turn soft and then turn into something. And we know all the other things that life is making down there in that beautiful dirt with Mother Earth. But it's just like whatever it is, it's connecting to you, to your purpose of what you came here to do, and who you came here to create with, and who you came here to vibe with. And there's your manifesting. You're manifesting now here. Your ships are coming in. And whatever you're working on here, it's actually happening. It's manifesting. But it's all because of what you walked away from and what you were trying to accomplish here with the moon. This Eight of Cups. Wish fulfillment, right? And here's the Queen of Wands. And I feel like this is you. This is your energy. Like if you're not connecting with the Queen of Wands, I really feel like this is your energy. This is your transformation. And what's happening here now is you've had a complete transformation. You're the Queen of Wands energy. It's connection of body, mind, soul. It's being in your universal flow. It's heart-centered. It's passionate. You know, when I look at her, I look of the most, You know, she's beautiful. She's charismatic. She's a heart-centered warrior. And this is no more fighting within. This is just no more fighting within. We know when we're fighting within, we start fighting without, right? Like, we can't harmonize. Now, let's just see what's being hidden. As we know, there's going to be some fog to see through. Some illusion. All right. And there it literally is. It's the Ten of Wands, right? So, what are we... That's literally... there. That's the ending. Where are we going? And there it is. This is the Four of Swords. The Ten of Wands is a difficult card to face. Mental or physical burdens have been weighing on your spirit. Over time, this leads to hopelessness and depression. You simply can't get through to what you want. You cannot see the way. It may be best to simply walk away. The Four of Swords. Though threatening swords loom above, the lamb sits in stillness without fear. The Four of Swords says it's time to look inward and find the mental power to cope with the pressures. It's important to rest, seek meditation, or find literature that focuses on ways to quiet the mind. Take this time to recuperate and move inward before those swords strike. And that's what we're doing here. And it's one fierce transformation. Wow. Incredible. Alrighty. Safe and secure. The heart of God holds all in safety. In times of separation from those I love, I remind myself that all of us are held safely in the heart of Source. I ask God to touch those I love with healing grace and compassion. I really feel like we need one more card. I am unique. My personality, with all its quirks and eccentricities, is a perfect expression of divine life. I acknowledge that I am uniquely designed to bring certain energies into play in an innovative and beneficial way for all. So you gotta rock your inner uniqueness. What makes you eccentric is what makes you different. And you know, the same is, it's artificial. We're all different, we're all unique, and we're all here to come and create our visions. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care.